Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I'm here at downtown. So, yeah, we're going because it's snowing. As I've told you, we'll be having a blizzard today. So, yeah, it's a blizzard morning. So, look at the weather. It's getting it's getting what? It's getting cold. Hi.
This is a puppy.
A puppy. Yeah. Yeah. Nice one. That's a puppy, but it's so big. That's why it's so huge. Oh my. Oh, see the weather here. It's uh, it's cold and snowy. That's the weather here. Cold is snowy and anything in between. Sometimes it's hot, but it's very, very seldom. Oh my. Okay. Until next time. Bye bye.